Hi guys, I'm Marnie from HappyFabric and I'm here to tell you today about our brand new direct-to-film heat transfers. So this is a sheet that we have had printed here at HappyFabric. So you can simply send us your designs, we'll manufacture them and send them to you. You can then fuse them onto any textiles, so t-shirts, bags, shoes, anything you want. And yeah, it's super exciting. Okay, so now we've cut out our transfer, it's time to add it onto our tote bag. So I have preset the Happy Press 4 to 145 degrees and we're going to press our transfer for 12 seconds. So let's pop it under the press and add our transfer. Simply slide it back under and pull down your lever. And now it's been pressed, we simply slide the drawer out and peel off the backing tape. Ta-da!